Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that you change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I post cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos, and sometimes I post vlogs too. We are on the first week of January, and right now is the time to finally undecorate. Before I proceed with removing all our Christmas decors, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram. It's at LoveTrisha12. I post a lot of Insta stories over there, so if you want to get updated with our life here in New Zealand, you can follow me there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, let's start. I kept the original box of ornaments because I think it's the best storage for them. So I'm going to start with keeping the largest decor that we have, our Christmas tree. I like starting with the largest or hardest task while I'll still have the full energy to do it, and like doing it last when I'm already tired going around the house. So I'm keeping all of the ornaments first, and then I'm going to remove the lights. My husband is at work today, but I would have loved it if we do this together. This would have been a good bonding / quality time for us, but I also want him to come home to a clean house with all the Christmas decors already removed. I know that feeling of working hard all day and wanting to come home to a relaxing and clean vibe, and that's what I want him to experience. And since I'm enjoying this anyway, I sure don't mind doing this all by myself. I'm also very specific with storing things and cleaning as well. He probably knows it's better to leave this task up to me since I'm very particular on how to store things and when and where to store them. Over here, I'm rolling the light on this tissue roll because I thought it would be a good idea to just use a tissue roll to store it, and I was also thinking of still using the original box of the string lights and put the tissue roll in the box. However, when I tried placing it inside the box, of course, it didn't fit. I also checked first if the lights are still working after I have removed it from the tree, since sometimes string lights are easy to get broken, especially after all of the untangling and stuff. So it took me a while to finally come up with the best way to store this string lights. I decided to just not necessarily fold it this way, carefully folding the string so that it would fit inside its original box.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that you change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move?
Then I'm using the bottom part of the string with no lights to wrap around it.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
Now, on to the hardest task. I'm disassembling the tree first before I fold the branches. I'm starting at the top part all the way to the bottom. I'm also going to use the original box that it came with to store it.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on?
By the way, guys, did you remove all your Christmas decors already? Do you also have a specific time on when you should remove all your Christmas decorations in your house? Like, as for me, I remove our decors after the Feast of the Three Kings, usually around the first week of January. How about you guys?
Let me go now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, we ain't got the time. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Now, I'm keeping the rest of the decors in our living area. I'm starting with keeping this small Christmas tree, and I'm doing the same steps that I did with the large tree. And I'm also keeping all of the items in a box. This task is a bit easy, I can say.
Marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this.
I'm going to keep this Christmas hot cocoa items in a different box, but I'm not going to include these Christmas jars. I'm going to place these jars in our kitchen cabinet to keep it from breaking.
I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside. keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
Finally, I already kept all the Christmas items. Now it's time to speed clean and rearrange some furnitures.
I've longed for this moment.
I decided I'm going to move the sofa all the way to the wall to maximize the little space that we have in our living area. This way, it would look like we have a larger space. And the only reason why I didn't position it with its back on the wall in the first place is because I have to use that space for the Christmas tree. And since we don't have the Christmas tree anymore, I think it's just right to push it back to the wall now.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm now going to keep all these paper cups and plates and these wooden spoons and use them again for Christmas this year. I'm using the cling wrap for the wooden spoons and a small plastic bag for the holiday tissue papers.
'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that?
After keeping the dried dishes, I'm going to wipe our kitchen counter and vacuum the kitchen floor, and then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Undecorate and Clean With Me video. Let me know if you like this by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos from me. And please follow me on Instagram. It's at LoveTrisha12. I love you guys and see you on my next video.